Good morning, children. How are you all? Okay, I hope you are all good. Yes, we will continue today our remaining topic of our lesson. What is our lesson name? Reproduction in plants. I think we learned in last class about reproduction through seeds, structure of a seed. Okay, now we are going to learn about germination. Same lesson, remaining topic. Second topic is nothing but reproduction in plants. Germination. Okay, the process by which a seed produces a new plant is called germination. These are the different stages of germination. Germination means a seed which produces, if we are sowing the seed in the soil, what happened? That seed produces another new plant. That process is called as a germination. Okay, if we are sowing a one seed inside the under the soil, what happened? After a few days, a new plant start to grow. The process is called as a germination. So these takes an different stages. Okay, when a seed falls or is sown in the soil, it takes water and nutrients from the soil. It also takes in sunlight and air. So what happened if we are sowing the seed in the soil, or any seed is fall under the soil? What happened? It takes an water. The plant isn't growing. What it is necessary? It needs water and nutrients from the soil. So we should pour the water. If it is a no water, what happened? The plant can't grow properly. So it should compulsory, it need water, nutrients, and it also takes sunlight and an air. Without sunlight and also the plant can't grow properly. So these all need to grow a perfect uh, plant. Okay, after a few days the seed coat breaks, the baby plant comes out. So after few days, what happened? After sowing the seed, the baby plant which is present inside the embryo, it breaks out. How it is break on? Through the seed coat, it breaks out the baby plant. Okay, the root of the baby plant grows downwards, and it when tiny shoots grow upwards in search of air. Okay, air and sunlight. The baby plant at this stage is called seedling. So what happened here? The root of the baby plants grow downwards. After breaking that, what happened? The root of the baby plant roots will be grown downwards, and the shoots will be grown upside. So it needs an air and water, sunlight compulsory. So here germination of a seed. Here it is given the picture. See, after sowing the seed, here you can see the seed. What happened? After sowing the seed, we are pouring the water. So after few days, what happened? The baby plant which is present inside the seed, that breaks and come outside. The roots are growing downwards. Then next third part is in the soil, the roots is growing and the shoot is growing upper side of the soil. So what happened? After few days, it is a shoot and it is a small plant. So after few days, it become an young plant. The plant grows and upwards, and the roots are grown inside the soil. Okay, a seed germinates only when it gets sufficient air, water, sunlight and nutrients. What happened? If the plant is getting an proper plant, if we are sowing an seed, what happened? The seed is and germinates when it gets only the sufficient air. If there is a no air, no water, no sunlight, and there is a no nutrients, how the plant will grow? So it does not grow. If example, you take human beings, without oxygen, without air, we can't live. We need all the things. Food we need. If we are not eating the food, we are not getting the energy. If we are not having the air, we can't breathe. So all how it is necessary for human beings, from plants also same, they all need. If they need to germinate in the soil, they get they need an insufficient air, water, sunlight and nutrients. Okay, and next, dispersal of seeds. A plant produces many seeds. If all the seeds fall and germinate near the mother plant, they will not get enough sunlight, food, water and space to grow. What happened? A plant produces an dispersal of seeds. A plant produces many seeds. What happened? A plant having many seeds. So what happened? They fall down near the mother plant only, and they germinate, and near the mother plant they will not get enough sunlight, food, water and space to grow. So what happened? If all the plant seeds are growing down the mother plants, they can't grow properly near the mother plant, because they does not get enough sunlight and food, water and space to grow that plant. Okay, what happened? Therefore, the seed needs to be scattered to distant places so they can be grow into an healthy plants. The scattering of seeds from of fruits from away the mother plant is called as an dispersal. So what happened? Because of these reasons, the plant that cannot grow near the mother plants, but because they does not get any sufficient food and water and space to grow near the mother plants, these plants are scattered to in different places. If they are sowing at the different places, what happened? They can grow and then properly they that plants will get an proper food, water, space and all those things and nutrients to grow an healthy plants. So the plants which are scattering from mother plants, the seeds which we are taking away from mother plant to other places, that process is called as a dispersal. Okay, I think you understood about this topic, and remaining topic we will continue in the next lesson. And your homework is this: germination of a seed. You have to draw this, okay, neatly. Thank you.